Hey everybody, it's Big E. Welcome to Big E's Auto. So today I'm going to update you guys on the race car resurrecting thing we got going on here with the Camaro. So got the wheels here. We saw that last video. Problem I had, I don't know, might not be able to see it. These are the valves here. You can see how it's all cut and distorted. The gasket there. And I was just like, while the tires are off, probably be a good idea to replace them. So I went ahead and I got some new valve stems with the fresh gasket on both sides of the wheel. So we got those put in so that way when we put the slicks back on, we hopefully won't have any leaks. So these wheels are not perfect polish, but they're good enough for a track night. So the other issue we had was, you remember we had the battery was dead, was an AGM. So I got a battery. Only thing is this one's bigger. This one actually has 1,000 cold cranking amps on it, which AGM, the one previous, only had 800. So I'm kind of excited to see how this is going to work with cranking the car over and running everything. I also changed the battery terminal ends. Hard to see on that one. I'm probably gonna have to cut this because this strap, battery strap. But I put new ends on. The battery cables wrapped everything that way because the other ones were loose. And plus, this was the one that was on the ground side, and it kind of got melted and distorted and stuff. So I figured it'd probably be a good idea to replace it. So I went ahead and replaced that. With those ends over there, and so when you, I don't know if you can see it, and you see how the tack lights up, and then so we have power. So we have power. These are the slicks. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can get those mounted up, hopefully this week, and then hopefully with the fresh battery, the wheels are done. Hopefully we can maybe fire this thing up. Hopefully maybe later this week we're going to see if we fire it up and see how it sounds and maybe do an oil change and see what else is happening. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on the race car situation, that there's progress being made. Hopefully we can get it up and running here shortly. So anyway, that's a quick update. Like and subscribe, leave a comment. I'll let you guys know if we go to the track with this thing soon. Anyway, until that time, oh darn mosquitoes. Anyway, watch out for each other. Take care of each other. See you next. Well, take two. Watch out for each other. Take care of each other. We'll see you next time right here on Big E's. Bye for now.